Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate you so much. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'll explain, okay? But for now, let's get to showing you guys what this linen closet is looking like right now. First, I wanted to tell you guys this linen closet is upstairs by my kids' room. So everything that I'm gonna put in here, I'm planning on putting for my kids. If I had extra space, I may put my linens in there, like big stuff that I can fit in my closet. But I will be doing that here. I will be putting them here if I have space. So let's get right to it. I'm trying to empty it out so I can see what I can do. Throughout this video, you're gonna see me changing my clothes because I left it, come back the next day because I didn't like the first the baskets that I got, so I went to go change them at Walmart. Everything in that closet is from Walmart. So the Ziploc bag I was showing you guys is supposed to be vacuum sucked. That's why I was like nah, because I would do it, then a couple of days pass, everything is puffed out. So this one, I don't know if there was a hole in it, but it wasn't working for me. So here I have the empty basket. I'm trying to see where they fit so I can fit my things. So this basket, this is what I had before originally. So they were so small. I didn't know the closet was this big. So I'm gonna go and change it. So here I am with the different clothes. So because I did that the next day. So where I've been. So you guys, sometimes I just feel uninspired to be on YouTube. I'm struggling with not ideas. I have so many ideas that I want to do, but I just feel like the past couple of months I just been feeling like nobody was watching my videos. I was working so hard to make things work with YouTube, and I feel like it wasn't working out. Everybody's thriving, and I feel like I'm just left behind. So that kind of took a toll on me, and I wanted to step back a little bit and give myself some time. Yeah, in the meantime, you hear me talk, I'm just gonna show you how I fold my towel and how I stored it. So blue towel is gonna be for my daughter, and blue towel is for my son, yellow is gonna be for my daughter. So I'm just showing you guys what I do when I fold them. Anywho, so back to what I was saying, I just felt like sometimes, when you're in a group and everybody's doing well and you don't know what you're doing and like why you're not doing good. So this was my struggle. It was a struggle feeling like it just felt like I was doing the work, but I'm just like not being, I don't know what it was, but it just felt like I wasn't doing great. I wasn't doing good enough. And that kind of made me feel like kind of down, and I was like, I need to take a break from YouTube. I know I was going to come back because I love YouTube. Even before I made a channel, I always knew that I love YouTube. I could hear myself saying, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel." So I know I didn't want to quit, but I definitely felt like I needed a break because I was comparing myself to people, and I'm not that kind of person. I don't compare myself to people, and that's what I was finding myself doing. So I needed a break. So basically, that's all that happened. I'm definitely gonna give you guys some update on the house when the next video come up. So like I said from my last video, I don't know if you guys remember, I said I'll be posting on Mondays and Saturdays. Right now I don't have an exact time on Mondays, but Saturday definitely by 10 a.m. my videos will be up. So I appreciate you so much if you clicked on this video. I know if you take a break on YouTube, it's like you're taking years of break. So it's not ideal, but if you need the time, take the time, girlfriend, because YouTube will always be here. You can always do it. Most of us are not doing it for the money right now. We're just doing it because we love it, because some people work, some people do other things to make money, and it's not there yet. But listen, if you need the time, take the time, because I was feeling kind of stressed as I'm taking the time too, because I'm like, I could be posting videos right now, and at the same time I'm like, no, I need to come up with a plan for my channel before I come back. So I just want to focus more on my home, decorating my home, and I hope that can inspire you guys. And I'm still gonna do cleaning videos because that's like what my channel is mainly about, but I'm gonna incorporate more decorating, because I'm so in love with doing that right now, and especially with my new home. So I hope you guys love that. And here I am trying to put back the things, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Let me know how you guys doing. And I know some of you guys will catch up on Instagram, but not all of you. So let me know how you doing and how everything's been. And I miss you guys so much. Let's talk on the comment and chat and see and catch up on each other. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I am so happy with it. It is so much better now. We know where everything goes, and I love it, especially with the black baskets. I put the kids' curtains and towels in there, and like the towels that don't match, so they know that's what's in there. And they love it, and like we love it. We love the way it came out. And the towels, this basket, the see-through baskets are perfect, because they know how many towels, and I know how many towels they have left to use, and I can just get to wash them, or they can tell me when they finish to wash them if I don't see if I don't see it. So I love it. Like I said, everything is from Walmart. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comment below. And I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.